Hi, I'm Nancy Quinn. Thanks again for joining me today on High Noon Tea. You may notice something a little bit different about me today. It's my hair. Do you like it? I really hope I'm not the only one laughing right now. Actually, I did have an injury to my eye, and it's probably going to take about 2 months for it to heal, so you may be seeing this a time or two, but soon I should be good as new, I promise you. Today, I'm drinking red rose tea. It's an orange and pekoe black tea mix, and because I had a question today about roses, I thought it would be a really good choice, so I hope you decide to give it a try too. My question today comes from a young lady that I've been corresponding with. She goes by the name of Starfire, and she's in Idaho. And she said, I know that you have a hard time growing things in your garden on the mountain. Can you grow roses? Well, yes and no. The first few roses that I tried to grow didn't survive. I used to have a beautiful rose garden in Florida, but when we moved here on the mountain, as you've read in my books, it's very difficult to get anything to grow. There are certain kinds of roses that I can grow here. The tea roses and the cutting roses don't do all that well, but I do have a wild rose that I actually dug up from another part of the property and planted it in my garden. I've also been lucky to find a couple of shrub-style roses, and I planted those in the garden, and they grow really successfully as long as my little nibblers don't get at them. So I'm constantly having to keep away the chipmunks because they want to nibble on the petals, and the deer, they feel the same way. And my horses have been known to leave the pasture and come up into the garden and nibble on the petals as well. So I'm usually shooing someone away from them, and as long as I can do that, I do have some that grow here. So I really appreciate your question today, Starfire, and I do enjoy our emails, so thank you. And anyone else who wants to send a question, I'm really happy to answer them. I do answer you individually, but I'm happy to answer you on High Noon Tea as well. So, thanks for joining me again. I'm glad we had a moment to have our tea today. You should try the red rose tea. It's kind of a staple at our house, and we all enjoy it. So I'll talk to you soon. Oh, and don't forget to look at the links below and subscribe to the YouTube channel. I have lots of interesting things coming up, and the new book is going to be out soon, so I'll have more information on that too. So thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.